Hello students, let us do a sum on determinant. This is a problem of NCERT. This determinant is equal to twice ABC multiplied by A plus B plus C cube. Let us proceed for its solution. If you evaluate this determinant by direct expansion, you are going to have an unwieldy and clumsy expression that will be difficult to deal with, and hence it will be difficult to show that this determinant is going to be this. So we must take recourse to the properties of determinants. Now here we are applying column 1 goes to column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 goes to column 2 minus column 3. And hence we get this determinant. And this determinant is equivalent to this determinant, because these are invariant operations. They doesn't make the determinant vary in any way. Here column 1 minus column 2, B plus C square minus A square, B square minus C plus A square, B square minus C plus A square, and C square minus C square, that is 0. Similarly here A square minus A square is 0. C plus A square minus B square, C plus A square minus B square, and C square minus A plus B square, C square minus A plus B square. And this column, that is third column, will remain as it is. Now on simplification, we are going to have this expression: A plus B plus C multiplied by B plus C minus A. Why? Because A square minus B square is equal to A plus B multiplied by A minus B. Similarly, we are going to have this expression in place of this and 0. Similarly here we are in place of this is 0, and in place of this we are going to have this, and in place of this we are going to have this, and this column will remain as it is. Now what do we see here? A plus B is a factor of the first column. Similarly, A plus B plus C is a factor of the second column. Now taking these two factors, we get A plus B plus C squared, and this determinant B plus C minus A, this is 0, this is A square. Similarly here B minus C minus A, B minus C minus A, and this is C plus A minus B, C plus A minus B, and this is B square. Similarly here it is 0, and here it is C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, and here it is A plus B square, A plus B square. Now again, if we evaluate this determinant by direct expansion, we are going to have a clumsy expression. So let us simplify it. Now applying this operation, we will have, that means R3 tends to, or R3 goes to R3 minus R2 minus R1. This will simplify this determinant in some way. Now this is your R3. R3 is changing by R3 minus this R2 minus R1. That means 0 minus this expression minus this expression, and here we are going to have 2A minus 2B. Similarly here, this minus this, we are going to have minus 2a. Similarly here, a plus b square minus b square minus a square, we are going to have 2ab. And the two rows will remain the same. Here it is also a plus b plus c square, here it is also a plus b c square. Now, again applying this operation, this determinant is going to be further simplified. This is b plus c minus a, b plus c minus a. This is 0, this is a square. Now here column 1 is changing. Column 1 is changing. So column 1 is changing by C1 plus C2. That means this plus this. Here this plus this. So this plus this is this. This plus this is 0. This plus this minus 2a gets cancelled, minus 2. And all the two columns, that is column 2 and column 3, will remain the same. Hence, ultimately we have here 2 is taken outside because 2 is a factor of the third row. Therefore, we are going to have this expression. Twice a plus b plus c square. Here it is b plus c minus a. Here it is 0. This is a square. This is 0. This is c plus a minus b. B square. Minus b because 2 has been taken outside. This is minus a and this is ab. Now we can expand this determinant and we can show that this expression is going to be twice ABC multiplied by a plus b plus c cubed. How can we do? Let us have a look. If you remember, this is the determinant. B plus c minus a, 0, a square. Now breaking it along or expanding it along the first row, we have this is b plus c minus a and multiplied by its cofactor. That means this cofactor. AB multiplied by here AB multiplied by c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b multiplication minus of this product, minus of this product, that means minus ab square and minus of that product, that is plus ab square. Similarly 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so we have 0. Now a square multiplied by this factor, cofactor, and we will get that expression. Now on simplification you will see that we are going to have ABC multiplied by a plus b plus c. Now here come, we have already twice a plus b plus c square, and this expression is going to be ABC multiplied by a plus b plus c. Hence, you can see that this expression is going to be twice ABC multiplied by a plus b plus c cube. Hence, the theorem or the sum. ओके, थैंक यू. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए